Hi guys, good morning. Now this is day 2 in Pune. Now we are planning to go out. Hemant wants to buy one helmet for a city ride. So we had nice breakfast and yesterday we fully played Uno. We enjoyed, we slept, we got up and now we are ready to go back and buy one safety helmet for our local Salman Khan so he can ride in a city. So
इंस्टा पे देखा था हम लोगों ने, तो वो हेलमेट आई लाइक इट सो मच, तो मैंने उसको मैसेज किया था। मैं बोला यार मैं पुणे जब भी आऊँगा आई विल कम टू पिक यू, आई विल पिक दैट हेलमेट। तो देखते हैं, जाते हैं उसके पास। नाउ वी आर प्लेइंग गेम गॉड ऑफ वॉर।
So we'll go now and we'll check out the helmet and it's 10 kilometers from here and we'll see other helmets also and he likes one particular helmet very much, so we'll go there, we'll check his size also and I hope he'll get the correct size and then we'll purchase it and we'll come back and we'll show you. So guys, we have reached Planet Helmet. That's his card and the address, and you can tag him Planet Helmet. I'll show you more inside. Helmet is already inside. He's checking out the helmets. We'll show you more details.
जैसा देखो इस फिट भी आता है अच्छे से। मैंने आपको एल साइज ही बना परफेक्ट बैठा है, ज़्यादा टाइट भी नहीं है, ज़्यादा लूज नहीं है, फिटिंग वाइज भी कंफर्टेबल आएगा। थोड़ा अगर आप नीचे से भी इसको थोड़ा फिट नीचे तो आपके लाइन में
कैसा है फिटिंग?
अच्छा, फिटिंग इज क्वाइट गुड एक्चुअली। आई वाज लुकिंग फॉर दिस ग्राफिक्स। मुझे फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन में बहुत अच्छा लगा। मैं बोला डॉलर वाला साइन चाहिए, दैट्स व्हाई हम लोग यहाँ पर आए। प्लैनेट
दिखा जरा घूम के।
पुणे रियली गुड। देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ वैरायटी इन हेलमेट्स।
So guys, finally we have reached to a conclusion and we have selected one helmet. Now the person is going to explain you everything about it, what we have purchased, and the customer is very happy about it. So what satisfaction he got, now he'll explain.
So the helmet is from Studs. It's a new decor which is in the D6 series of them. They have released 8 colors in it, from red to white to neon yellow to blue and everything. The entire padding is removable. You can remove the entire padding, wash it and then attach it again. You get a chin protector guard as well. If you don't want it, you can remove it as well, but it's always recommended because it protects your chin as well as you don't get dust directly to your nose. The glass is unbreakable and it is made up of chrome, which is in the stock fitting itself. It is, so basically you can try it, it's unbreakable. It is recommended that while going on day rides you wear a chrome glass because the sun directly doesn't hit your head. In the night time you can also get a clear glass, or the chrome glass is also comfortable depending upon how your ride is. All in all, you get 2 ventilation points on the top, 2 exhaust walls at the back and 1 ventilation point in the front. It's a very lightweight helmet and it is ISI certified.
So, see this kind of helmet, they don't come with the pin lock visor. So
They
what
don't come
about the
with it.
fog? If I get the
If
fog
you
inside
if you suffer from fogging, then what you can do, you can use an anti-fog demister. All you have to do is spray it from the inside, because from the outside you won't really get the fogging issue. From the inside you can spray, like you can put 5 sprays in it, and for 24 hours you won't get any sort of fog.
It's great.
And it's a Bangalore-based company. It's a very great quality company.
The price range is also quite
Yeah, it
affordable.
will cost you 210 bucks.
That's it. And almost it's 250 ml, so
Yeah,
Coffee.
it will go on for a long time. Consider like a good 1 year, easy.
easy.
So guys, we have done purchasing that helmet, what we promised, and now we'll wear it for a ride and we'll show you. Till then, see, the customer is very happy.
Best thing which I got is this. ये बहुत काम आने
Anti-fog.
वाला है, बहुत काम आने वाला है. Anti-fog.
It is very, very, very important while riding. When we get fog, we have to wipe it, and we are wearing gloves. It's kind of little difficult. Anti-fog.